It smells very interestingly. Not really sure what that is.
It's supposed to be curry powder.
Curry powder. So yeah, the thing is that like I had to nip down to the shop to get some oil, because without oil you can't cook really. Especially you can't fry. You can't fry eggs. So I'm going to cook. Yes. So all set up now. Lazzy's kitchen. Got some nice olive oil. Yeah. Because everything is fish oil, so that was a tricky one to find, but I found some. I still haven't got a wooden spoon, but at least this one is working. More than nothing. Food's gonna be lots of veg, tofu, and egg. Yeah, very good, very good. See? Not rushing. So I got a bottle of chili, and I tried it earlier, and it smells amazing. It's definitely smoky, and but it's crazy hot. It's very delicious, but it's crazy hot. Wow. Right, the tofu is in there now. Lazzy's kitchen. What's cooking, Laz? It's gonna be some egg with tofu and loads of veg.
Wow! Can I have some?
Yes, you can. Looking very nice. Our lunchy. Ooh, it got steamed up.
Look at the size of this tomato, Laz. Wow!
Wow! Smells amazing! Yes! Food!